Well, good morning one more time. Here we are. Today we are about to unveil something to you. It's gonna be the unbox of my Honwave dinghy airboat. So as you see here on the box, we got my boat and we got our engine Honda BF20. There we go, BF20. So this is the Honda 20 horsepower, and we got our own wave inflatable Honwave boat. So we're gonna get them together and take them to the water later. Let's go and see it, the unbox. Open the box, there's these two big bag right here. That is the basically wrap up the boat when you take it out of the water. Going to put them right here for the time being. Now, come and see. This is the boat. It's quite heavy. I recommend 2 people doing this job. Guys, go back, please. Great. Like I was saying, you really needed 2 people to do this job. So at the moment, my wife is holding the camera, so I have to handle this. So it's quite heavy, and this is the boat himself. Try to lay it down. Please, when you start this process, please don't forget to lay a foundation, like a soft ground, you know, where you don't have anything that can, you know, conflict with what you're doing. So let's put the boat all the way down here so we can have space. Great. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so as you see, come closer. See, this is where the air would go, the air pump. There's the leads to block. There's one there, one on the other side. So what we do now is to now prepare the aluminium floor, which is the next step. So, is the seat. See? Seat. It's quite large, isn't it? This is the paddle. This is the pump. That's the pump. And the rail side of the aluminium floor. It's quite heavy. So the overall kilo of the boat is 86 kg. So that's how it is. And this is the gauge, and this is the repair kit. They come with this key to open it, and the glue. Those glue is quite nice as well in terms of puncture. Thank God we will not have any puncture on that. And now this is the floor. Aluminium floor. This is heavy. It's heavy. So we have to find a place to put this. It's gonna be right here. There we go. You can stop the video.
Emmanuel. Manual, not Emmanuel. Manual pump. Yep.
So
Say hi, kids. Say hi.
you put it in and then you twist it. So you engage.
Baby, just step on it.
So
Step on it.
the way to do is use your foot.
That's it. And then one child at a time. When you get tired. Dennis, go.
Stop and start again. So now this is enough for you to have enough room to slick the aluminium floor there. So don't inflate it too much. So
Mommy, yes.
oh. Okay, it's closed now. We're gonna do the next one.
Not again. That easy.
It's okay, babe. Stop it. Open it. When you open the valves, inside there, that yellow bit, you have to twist it to the right, so you don't get the air coming out. So as I did that, it protects all the air that you just put it in. Okay, yeah, that's how it is. This so now you see all these aluminium floor has a number into it. It's number 4. That is the last one. Put the bottom here. Turn it. Put it down there, like just like this. Number 1, number 4. I mean, got number 3 right here. So can see this side as a grabs way ribs, and this is very smooth. Also, this is for the bottom one. So you want to follow the number on it. So this is number 3. Just slide it in. You have to be very careful. That's why we didn't inflate the boat too much, so we can have flexible smooth move. So this one get in, okay, like this, just like that. Now we're going to put number 1 and then put the number 3 just slightly. So come back, and you see the number 1 has a wall here. He has to go in there, in this wall right here. Okay, don't forget to put your number up, just like that. And push it forward, just like that. And then you go your valve right there, like that, just like that. Okay, hold on.
What's this sign here? It's saying that it shouldn't be equal sides. Do you see the plates? This sign. Do you see it? This sign.
So now we're gonna slide the number 2 in. It's supposed to be up. Okay, that's why it says it shouldn't be equal. So you have to lift the number 3, lift the number 3 just like that. Can you put it in like that?
And you hold this for me. Pull it.
Okay.
Pull it. That's it. Was you meant to put that front one first? Yeah. Was you meant to take that one out? That's not in the right order, is it?
That's so heavy.
Let's take some air up. Just show you where we got it wrong again. So as you see, there is a sign on the floor right here. Yeah, this is our 4th attempt to do this, and we made a mistake. So the shorter rail there has to be shorter up there and longer down. So this junction here has to be in one of those patches there, those blue patches. You see one there, there's one here. So that end has to be in here, because this is gonna protect it, okay? Because that junction can move, so it can rub on the boat and can cause problems. So this end has to be on those end right there. So you can see those blue patches, those end has to match those sign there. So follow the sign, so that end has to be here, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna take everything out and do it again from scratch. So we're nearly there, and it's just a bit patient. Long, small. So this will give you a clue. So it has to be these long, small, and long, small. There. So let's put this small. Go there. Just. So just, I think I would advise use a glove when you do this kind of work. So the full boat is on. Look amazing. It's a good sized boat. You see the boat on good here, and you can see So that is a good size boat. Amazing. I love it.
Yeah.
See? Nice. Now we got these guys to put in this attachment for the wheels when the boat come out of the water, and attach this wheel into it. One there and another one here.
Ow.
This is what it's gonna be. So just to be clear, this is not part of, yeah, just to be sure, this wheels is not part of the boat standard, but is my own customization that I'm adding to in terms of landing the boat on the shore. Yes, this will be very helpful, to be fair, when you land the boat on the seashore. Yeah, so just make sure that has to be fitted properly with the glue. I would like to put some bond into it to make sure the water doesn't go in, because this thing here is pure wood. This is wood. Yeah, so just make sure everything is the way that it meant to be. Yeah, this way, like this, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's that way around. Yeah, that's right. Another one here. So, yes, done. It's all bro here. We're ready to test this T40 big man here, transportation. We're here, delegation of Boa Vista, EMP. That's where we're gonna bring the boat into. So now we're ready to launch the boat on the water. So I'm in now, talk to delegate to see what is the next procedure with the boat. Let's see and find out. Thank you. Right to the water. Piras, toma. Bota gravar.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Botei ele no movimento, não?
Yeah.
Ok.
Então.
Para pam pam.
Piras.
Sim,
Well
boa.
done, guys.
Capitão.
Qual que é o nome? Zec.
Zec.
Ele é Zec ali dá no mão.
Zec é você chama ele do tipo
Yeah.
de
Piras, vai pra trás.
Sudiac.
Vai lá.
Sudiac.
Bote pra água. Boa. Yeah.
Homens do Sudiac. Uma Zeca e homem de Sudiac. Uma jaluca.
Tá pressionando.
Você mal que você mal que. Mal bagrinho assim.
Eu gravar metade. Ada petrol gas yang tadi salah.
Pressiona melhor.
Botinha com gel, né? Umas palas também para as palas. Caminga para a escola, né? As palas de kite, se você no bote. Tá ligando. Boa. Vamos aqui. Vamos contato com Kira.
Não é ele, Atanásio. Os diálogos estavam dando aquele esticado. Ele que tomou um banho de azar.
É nóis.
Claro. Mas vou tombar também. Onde é que não estava de um voto? Sim, pelo menos um gajo.
Tá com o We officially
Tem estilo agora.
out. Tem estilo, sim. We officially out. The boat is up running. John Paul. Yes. We're so happy, so glad. Amazing. We up running. Yes. Wonderful. Well guys, we on board with our brother, going out to enjoy. Woohoo! Yeah! We out! Yeah! Valeu, Estação! Ale! So guys, the boat is steady, fast. We go Captain John Lucas, and we go Pires,
Marinheiro Pira.
fisherman, Captain ATANAZIO. Enjoy, co-pilot. Let's go. This is fun, man. This is amazing. Woohoo! Barra! Kelly Brock. É nóis. Tu ir lá na festa. This is amazing. Great feelings. You see, holiday makers all around snorkeling. on the most big travel company, Tui Thompson, from Hotel Rio, all over. We're right here in jail, just test our T40. The reboat is amazing, great boat speed. Yeah. Oh, I can't express the feelings. It's amazing. Tama pa praia assim. Woohoo! Yes! This is wonderful. Amazing. ATANAZIO'S tours. Fishing. Yeah, Lucas. Yes. Enjoy having a good time, guys. This is great. Soon we'll be here fishing in those water, snorkeling and have fun. This is good boat. Thank you, Jesus. We are now doing around the island with the T40 Honwave boat. Is a reef, is fast, light, reliable. Chapéu cair. Man of a boat. Man of a boat. Ale. Cinta lá. Cinta na mala, moço. Cinta na mala. The sea is rough, but the T40 is going through the water nicely, like butter. Strong boat, good time to test it out and see how strong he is. It's amazing. We did around the island. All is well. Amazing. We are on the edge of South Ray, heading to the port. As you see the port, the boat is rushing through the water like nothing. The sea, the reef, the wave, the current. It's a wonderful boat. Well done, Honwave. Tested and fast. We did around the island. The boats. heading to the prior front, the beach front. It's amazing. Yeah, vamos passeio sim. Yeah. Yeah. Só assim. Não, moço. Volta muito aqui na speed, moço. Moço. Boa massagem. Tu quer saber maneira? Oh. Boa. We back. Great. We back right here. Maneira. The drip. Yeah. Got fisherman there. Tá? Tem corda ali sim. Piras, põe aí a cara lá assim. Check a luck. Yeah. So the inspector is here. We're gonna meet him here on the port. I'll stop recording. Maybe I'm not allowed to record within allow. So we go through expansion and see. You wanna see the engine and the capacity and all other things. I don't know. Thank you.